recently investigated symmetries in ArcTask. The job is to find broken symmetries and crop out the repaired areas. How do I do that? This is the data I've gathered from just the training data. So I can see the output size. The width is the width of the removed rectangle after a single color removal, and likewise for the height. So this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is the repaired symmetry, and it's just for this broken area. I have lots of input properties. I have lots of input labels. So over here is an analysis column, and it contains the intersection of all of what the consensus is between the training pairs. These properties are listed here, so they are shared between all the training pairs. Input height is always 30. Input height 30. There's a symmetry diagonal A with some mismatches. There's a horizontal symmetry with inset and mismatches. There's a vertical symmetry with inset and mismatches. So the vertical inset, it's best shown up here, where you can see this area is not present on the other side, so there's an inset of 2 pixels on the left side. So having all these input properties and input labels, I can start compare the output image with the input image and look for other properties that can explain the size of the output image and the coloring of the output image. So these are all the relations that may explain why some property exists, and finding the intersection of all these properties, then we can see the output image colors comes from the input image. So there are not added any colors never seen before. The width and the height comes from the removed rectangle after single color removal. And there's a consensus that these are the colors that disappear when comparing the palette of the input image and the output image. These are the colors that are no longer present in the output image. And there seems to be a consensus that this light blue disappears. So if we remove that color from the input image, then we have this highlighted area, and that's the area for repair. inset was in particular difficult to deal with. So detecting asymmetry where not all of the pixels match perfectly and where there's a inset, it was kind of tricky. Link to the code is in the description. Join the Discord server where ARC is discussed. Thank you for watching. Bye.